Hello, you're taking a journey with me with the refurbishment of this dowel. This dowel is probably around 54 years old. I got it back in the 60s and I played with it for maybe 3 or 4 years. Then I lost track of it until a week ago, Memorial Day weekend 2021. I was at my parents' house and there she was in the corner of the garage. I imagine that doll was in the corner of that garage at least, I would say 45 years, if not 48. Anyway, the leg, as you can see,
Is detached.
she's pretty dirty.
The hair I can attribute to time.
Here's because the hair probably came out from my combing it within a few months of my having the doll. So I can't blame it on that. But I'm going to take this doll on a journey. I want to see who will be able to refurbish this doll for me and make it look like it did all those years ago when I had so much enjoyment with this doll. This is one of those dolls that you could walk with me doll. I'm not sure if it's an original Patty Playmate doll or if it's a Play Pal rather doll, or if it's one of the knockoffs that was a kinda Patty Playmate
Al.
doll. But anyway, I'm going to check it out. I saw the number on the back. It has a U2 on the back. So maybe I'll be able to find the manufacturer or the toy company that manufactured this doll. But anyway, I'm just trying to get it to look like it did back when I was young. Look what happened to the eyes. These are open and shut eyes, but what happened to the color? Huh. And then she's pretty dirty there. But some of the companies that I looked up to do these jobs on dials said to not really do anything to them. I don't know whether the solution that I would use may damage the plastic in some kind of way, but they don't want you to touch them other than to bring them in to the store, to their shop. So that's what I intend to do. If you have a recommendation of a store or a repair shop for dials that you can recommend to me, I would greatly appreciate that. In the meanwhile, I'm going to do my research and take some estimates and then send it off. I'm in the Northern Virginia area, and I saw where there is a local dial repair shop, but I'm willing to send it wherever I may be able to send it because I want a really good job to be done to this dial. Okay, so anyway, keep posting and checking back with us, and please give your experience with refurbishing dials. Let me know if you have one of these dials or if you know someone who has one of these dials, because I love to know a little bit more about the background of this dial. So anyway, signing off for now. Thank you.